What's up guys, today is a new day. It just started raining, so we're taking the covers off of this and the V8. And then we're gonna drain fluids on the SR and take the freaking phone calls. Be right back. Alright guys, we're gonna drain the fluids on the SR now, taking the cover off of the V8. I'm gonna go ahead and take the drive shaft off while he drains the oil. We're gonna get this motor out. Alright, so right now Daniel's taking off the shifter boot, and then we're gonna unclip that with the 2-prong. So we're gonna use the tool to get this clip out. It's a prong piece like this. You squeeze it together, the ring comes out. You can pull the whole shifter out. He's gonna go ahead and do the motor mounts, disconnect those, and then I'm gonna do the tranny mounts. So I'll do the tranny mounts now. He's gonna do the engine mounts, and then we're gonna get the shifter out, and then we're gonna hook up the engine hoist and possibly get this motor out. All right, here we go. Alright guys, I'm going to end the video here. Super beat, got to go to work right now. Today's my Friday, even though it's Tuesday. The Sr20 is out of the red 240SX. The coupe is chilling back there, and we got the V8 as well. So what we're going to do tomorrow evening, we're going to go ahead and pressure wash the engine bay, get it cleaned up, scoot the car back, and then possibly get the V8 in. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned.